while the human race will always leave its carbon footprint on the earth, it must continue to find ways to lessen the impact of its fossil fuel consumption. Carbon capture technologies, that is chemically trapping carbon dioxide before it is released into the atmosphere, is one approach. And in a report released last month, Cornell researchers disclose a novel method for capturing the greenhouse gas and converting it to a useful product while producing electrical energy. The researchers have developed an oxygen-assisted aluminum carbon dioxide power cell that uses electrochemical reactions to both sequester the carbon dioxide and produce electricity. The group's proposed cell would use aluminum as the anode and mix streams of carbon dioxide and oxygen as the active ingredients of the cathode. The electrochemical reactions between the anode and the cathode would sequester the carbon dioxide into carbon-rich compounds while also producing electricity and a valuable oxalate as a byproduct. In most current carbon capture models, the carbon is captured in fluids or solids, which are then heated or depressurized to release the carbon dioxide. The concentrated gas must then be compressed and transported to industries able to reuse it, or sequestered underground. The findings in the study represent a possible paradigm shift. The group reported that their electrochemical cell generated 13 ampere hours per gram of porous carbon at a discharge potential of around 1.4 volts. The energy produced by the cell is comparable to that produced by the highest energy density battery systems. Another key aspect of their findings is in the generation of superoxide intermediates, which are formed when the O2 is reduced at the cathode. The superoxide reacts with the normally inert carbon dioxide, forming a carbon-carbon oxalate that is widely used in many industries, including pharmaceutical, fiber, and metal smelting. This technology is not limited to power plant applications. It fits really well with onboard capture in vehicles. A current drawback of this technology is that the electrolyte, the liquid connecting the anode to the cathode, is extremely sensitive to water. Ongoing work is addressing the performance of electrochemical systems and use of electrolytes that are less water sensitive.